Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday the 9th of May with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable, is cable beginning to sort of bottom out? I mean, I've been sort of considering that sterling has started to perform better in the last couple of days. We've seen upside break on sterling Aussie this morning. We've seen one on sterling yen. We're now seeing a downtrend broken on cable. Now obviously the dollar is still a predominant strengthening force in the forex majors, so whether this turns into just a consolidation or not, yeah, I'm not sure at the moment, because yesterday's candle was a bit neutral to slightly negative, and today's move is still lower, 18-20 pips lower at the moment, and the momentum indicator is still not really suggesting a pickup. The fact is that you've just broken this downtrend. You haven't broken the downtrend yet on euro-dollar, interestingly, but you have on cable. But just because you've broken a downtrend doesn't mean that we're now going to start to see a big recovery. I think there's could well just be a downtrend break that just results in a consolidation. I mean, you're not really seeing, as I said, any real signs on the momentum indicators of any sort of decisive recovery. Certainly not on the daily chart. However, there is this sort of last couple of days, 34.85 has basically been the support and sort of rallied off that. So you'd sort of look on the hourly chart and you think, well, okay, there's the prospect of a recovery, as in even on the hourly chart we are testing the downtrend as well, but again, nothing really decisive. Momentum indicators still sort of failing around their recent levels, sort of around 60 on the RSI and around neutral on the MACD line. So you've still got more work to be done in for the bulls to suggest there is a recovery. 136.90, yesterday's reaction high before the market fell back. If that sort of rallied through that, that would complete a small base pattern. So we need to just look at that. An equivalent base pattern has already been achieved on sterling yen, by the way. That would open 36.55 and then 37.10. 37.10 being that old key breakdown. You could argue it sort of would imply around about 100 pips of recovery as well, so that would again take you back towards that 137 area. So there is the prospect of a little near-term recovery if you can break through 136.90 area. Still sort of 60 pips away from that at the moment, and as I said, the momentum indicator is not really picking up yet. So just treating this as a consolidation for now. And if you do see the support 34.85 broken again, that sort of opens that January reaction low 34.55, and then you still continue to retrace the moves back to sort of 133 figure. But for now it's holding up, but it'll be interesting to see how long for. But sterling is showing a little bit more signs of life. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.